Okay, arithmetic progression chapter practice set 3.1 and question number 1 sub question number 1. Okay, यहाँ पर which of the following sequences are AP? यहाँ पे जो सीक्वेंस दिया है इसमें कौन सा अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. इफ दे आर AP अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस. तो हमें कॉमन डिफरेंस भी फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, चलो अब यहाँ पर जो सीक्वेंस दिया है स्टूडेंट, इसमें ये जो 2 है ना, इट इज़ नथिंग बट द फर्स्ट टर्म, 4 इज द सेकेंड टर्म, 6 इज द थर्ड टर्म एंड 8 इज द फोर्थ टर्म. पहले हम 2 कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स का डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे, यानी कि 2 आजू बाजू में रहने वाला टर्म्स का डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. यानी कि T2 माइनस T1 इज इक्वल टू हमें मिला 4 माइनस 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 2. फिर T3 माइनस T2 6 माइनस 4, तो इसमें भी हमें डिफरेंस मिला 2. देन T4 माइनस T3 8 माइनस 6, इसमें भी हमें डिफरेंस 2 मिला. स्टूडेंट अगर ये डिफरेंस सब में सेम है ना 2 2 2, तो सेम रहेगा तो हमें लिखना पड़ेगा कि हियर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनी 2 कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स इज कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट मतलब सेम, देयरफॉर इट इज एन AP. ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, देयरफॉर इट इज an arithmetic progression. Okay student, now the second one, इसमें दिए है कि 2 5/2 3 7/3 and so on. तो यहाँ पर भी the first term is 2, second term is 5/2, third one is 3 and the fourth one is 7/3. okay, तो सबसे पहले हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि डिफरेंस बिटवीन द 2 कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स. सो देयरफॉर T2 माइनस T1 विच इज इक्वल टू 5/2 माइनस 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 2 2 ज़र 4/2 विच इज इक्वल टू हाफ. तो यहाँ पर डिफरेंस हाफ मिला. एंड द T3 माइनस T2 विच इज इक्वल टू 3 माइनस 5/2. So 2 3s are 6 minus 5/2. 6 minus 5 is 1/2. इसमें भी सेम हाफ मिला. Now the T4 minus T3 यानी कि 7/3 minus 3. So here 7 minus 3 3s are 9/3. So which is equal to minus 2/3. तो यहाँ पर ये जो डिफरेंस मिला वो फर्स्ट 2 में हाफ हाफ मिला, लेकिन लास्ट में माइनस 2/3 मिला ना स्टूडेंट. तो यहाँ पर द डिफरेंस इज नॉट कांस्टेंट, सो देयरफॉर इट इज नॉट एन AP. ओके, देयरफॉर इट इज नॉट एन AP. इट इज नॉट एन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड वन, यहाँ पर दिया है कि -10 -6 -2 2 एंड सो ऑन. ओके, तो यहाँ पर भी अभी हम यहाँ पर द फर्स्ट टर्म इज -10, सेकेंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो पहले हम डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. सो T2 माइनस T1 विच इज इक्वल टू -6 माइनस ऑफ -10 विच इज इक्वल टू -6 प्लस 10 विच इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, अभी हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि T3 माइनस T2. सो -2 माइनस ऑफ -6 -2 प्लस 6 विच इज अगेन 4. नाउ T4 माइनस T3 2 माइनस ऑफ -2 2 प्लस 2 विच इज अगेन 4. तो यहाँ पे ये सब सेम, मतलब कांस्टेंट जो डिफरेंस मिला वो सेम है, कांस्टेंट है. सो देयरफॉर इट इज एन AP. ओके, सो इट इज एन AP. लेकिन आंसर कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट? सिंस हियर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनी 2 कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म्स इज कांस्टेंट, देयरफॉर इट इज एन AP. ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट. ओके, नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, 0.3 0.33 0.333. ओके, यहाँ पर द फर्स्ट टर्म इज 0.3, second term is 0.33, third term is 0.333. चलो अभी डिफरेंस निकालते स्टूडेंट, T2 minus T1, 0.33 minus 0.3, तो इसका डिफरेंस आएगा 0.03. ओके, देन T3 minus T2, 0.333 minus 0.33, तो इसका डिफरेंस आएगा 0.003. तो यहाँ पे जो डिफरेंस है वो कांस्टेंट नहीं है, therefore it is not an AP. It is not an AP. Okay student, now the fifth sum. यहाँ पर the first term is 0, second one is -4, third one is -8 and the fourth one is -12. तो पहले डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. So T2 minus T1 is equal to -4 minus 0, which is equal to -4. Then T3 minus T2, which is equal to -8 minus into minus plus 4, which is again -4. Now the T4 minus T3, -12 and minus into minus plus 8, which is again -4. तो यहाँ पे ये जो टर्म है, टर्म का डिफरेंस जो है वो कांस्टेंट है, therefore it is an AP, it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, so now the sixth one. यहाँ पर the first term is -1/5, second term भी सेम, थर्ड टर्म भी सेम. अगर सब टर्म सेम रहेगा ना स्टूडेंट, तो हमेशा अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन ही रहेगा और उसका डिफरेंस, कॉमन डिफरेंस 0 रहेगा. ओके, चलो चेक करते हैं अभी. T2 minus T1, which is equal to -1/5, minus into minus plus 1/5, माइनस प्लस कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यानी कि कॉमन डिफरेंस 0. एंड T3 minus T2, which is equal to -1/5, minus into minus plus 1/5, plus minus cancel 0. Student, यहाँ पर the difference between any two consecutive term is same and it is 0, so therefore it is an AP. Okay, तो हमें आंसर ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा कि here the difference between any two consecutive term is same, यानी कि constant, therefore it is an AP, ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सेवेंथ सम. यहाँ पर the first term is 3 and the second one is 3 plus root 2, third one is 3 plus 2 root 2 and the fourth one is 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, तो यहाँ पर भी हम पहले डिफरेंस देखेंगे. सो T2 minus T1, which is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3, ये 3 कैंसिल हो गया, तो root 2 is the difference. And T3 minus T2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus into plus minus root 2, so 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. एंड 2 root 2 से एक root 2 जाएगा तो root 2. एंड T4 minus T3, which is 3 plus 3 root 2 and minus 3 minus into minus minus into plus minus 2 root 2, so 3 cancel. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 3 minus 2 is 1 root 2. तो यहाँ पर the difference between any two consecutive term is same, मिला root 2 root 2 root 2, therefore it is an AP, therefore it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, now the eighth sum. Okay, eighth sum में first term is 127, second term is 132 and the third term is 137. Okay, चलो पहले डिफरेंस निकालते स्टूडेंट. सो T2 minus T1 is equal to 132 minus 127. 32 में 27 जाएगा तो 5 मिलेगा. एंड T3 minus T2, 137 minus 132, यहाँ पर भी 5 मिला. Since the difference between any two consecutive term is constant, therefore it is also an AP, so it is an arithmetic progression. Okay students, okay, यहाँ पर write an AP whose first term is A and the common difference D in each of the following. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस दिया है और हमें ये अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो हियर ये इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म इज इक्वल टू ये which is equal to 10 and the second term equal to first term plus common difference, so 10 plus 5 which is equal to 15 and the third term is equal to second term plus common difference which is 15 plus 5 which is equal to 20 and the fourth term is equal to third term plus common difference, so 20 plus 5 which is equal to 25. Okay, so therefore the arithmetic progression is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. So it is the answer. So हमें arithmetic progression लिखना चाहिए था and the arithmetic progression is 10, 15, 20 and 25. Okay students, now the second sum, यहाँ पर ये दिया है -3 and common difference दिया है 0. So therefore the first term is equal to ये which is equal to -3 and the second term is equal to first term plus the common difference, so -3 plus 0 which is also -3 and the third term is equal to second term plus the common difference, so -3 plus 0 which is also -3 and the fourth term is again third term plus common difference which is -3 plus 0, so again it is also 3. तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंस 0 है ना, तो कंसेक्यूटिव टर्म में कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं रहेगा क्योंकि डिफरेंस इज 0, so all the term will be same, -3 -3 -3 -3. So therefore the required arithmetic progression is -3, -3, -3, -3, ... Okay, now the third one, here a equal to -7 and common difference is half. Okay, so the first term is equal to a which is equal to -7 and the second term equal to first term plus the common difference which is equal to -7 plus half, so which is equal to -14 plus 1 upon 2 which is equal to -13 upon 2. Now the third term equal to second term plus the common difference. Here the second term is -13 by 2 plus the common difference is 1 by 2. Since the denominator is same, we can write it once. So in the numerator we will get 13 plus 1 and the last answer will be -12 upon 2. So if we cancel it, then we can get -6. Okay, so the fourth term is nothing but the third term plus the common difference, and here the third term is -6 plus the common difference half which is equal to -12 plus 1 upon 2 which is equal to -11 by 2. Therefore the required arithmetic progression is AP is nothing but -7 -13 upon 2 and -6 and -11 upon 2. Okay, and so on. So it is the required AP. Okay, now the fourth question, यहाँ पर a equal to -1.25 and the common difference is 3. Okay, so therefore here the first term equal to a which is equal to -1.25 and the second term is nothing but the first term plus the common difference which is equal to -1.25 plus 3, so which is equal to 1.75 it is. Okay, and t3 is nothing but t2 plus the common difference. So 1.75 plus 3 is nothing but 4.75, and the fourth term is equal to the third term plus the common difference. So 4.75 plus 3 is nothing but 7.75. So therefore the required arithmetic progression is minus 1.25 comma okay. Now the fifth question. यहाँ पे the first term is 6 and the common difference is minus 3. So therefore the first term equal to 6. The second term is nothing but the first term plus the common difference, which is equal to 6 plus into minus 3, which is 3. And the third term is second term plus the common difference. So 3 and plus into minus 3, which is equal to 0. And the fourth term is the third term plus the common difference, which is 0 plus into minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. So therefore the required arithmetic progression is 6, 3, 0, minus 3, and so on. Okay. Now the sixth one. Here a equal to minus 19 and d equal to minus 4. So therefore the first term is a, which is equal to minus 19. The second term is equal to the first term plus the common difference, which is equal to minus 19 plus into minus 4, which is equal to minus 23. And the third term is the second term plus the common difference, which is equal to minus 23 plus into minus 4, so it is minus 27. And the fourth term is the third term plus the common difference, so which is equal to minus 27 plus into minus 4, which is equal to minus 31. Therefore the arithmetic progression is minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, not and minus 27, minus 31, and so on. Okay, so it is the required arithmetic progression. Okay, now the third question. My first one, 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, dot. Okay, यहाँ पर एक ये पी दिया है स्टूडेंट, इसमें हमें फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो सिंपल, यहाँ पर द फर्स्ट टर्म इज 5 and the second term 1, third term minus 3, and the fourth term -7. हमें फर्स्ट टर्म और कॉमन डिफरेंस चाहिए ना. So the first term is nothing but a, which is nothing but 5, and the common difference is equal to the second term minus first term, which is equal to 1 minus 5, which is equal to -4. Okay, now the second sum, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5 and so on. तो यहाँ पर भी द फर्स्ट टर्म इज 0.6, सेकेंड टर्म इज 0.9, ये थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म. हमें चाहिए था फर्स्ट टर्म. सो द फर्स्ट टर्म इक्वल टू ए इक्वल टू 0.6 and the common difference is t2 minus t1. So 0.9 minus 0.6, which is equal to 0.3. Okay. Now the third one, 127, 135, 143, 151 and so on. So here the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. हमें चाहिए फर्स्ट टर्म. सो फर्स्ट टर्म इज 127. सो therefore the first term equal to a equal to 127, and the common difference is nothing but second term minus first term, so which is equal to 135 minus 127, so which is equal to 8. So which is equal to 8. Okay students, because 8 is the right answer. Now the fourth one, 1/4, 3/4, 5/4, 7/4 and so on. तो यहाँ पर भी the first term is 1/4. Okay, here also the first term is 1/4, second term, third term, fourth term. But we need the first one. So the first term is equal to a equal to 1/4. And the common difference is nothing but the second term minus the first term, which is equal to 3/4 minus 1/4. So 3 minus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 2 upon 4, which is equal to half. So the common difference is half. Okay.